Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Today is a very special day because I will teach a Tagalog song with original soundtrack from the movie Triple Double Huli Ka Balbon by Daryl. Alright, so let's start. Alright, on this one we're gonna need to move back. Not so back. Oh, it's okay, they want to go back further. So from this one, we're gonna walk 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, yes. So you're gonna go walk right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 steps. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, walk right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look up, then use your hips to your right. 5, 6, dip, 7, and 8. Alright, by the way, for this one, you're gonna change your weight from right, left, then dip, close to your left. One more time. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, hips, and 7, 8. Did you got it? Alright, next, from here, 7, 8, you're gonna go open it. 1, punch on 2, you're gonna sit to your right. 2, close on 3, open on 4, 5, 6, back, 7, drop on 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, go. 1, 2, close 3, 4, 5, 6, back 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try from first and second. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, hips, hips, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, from here. So 7, 8. This one you're gonna go 1, 2. Stay on 3, 4. Alright? One more time. 6, 7, 8. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 5, 6. Stay there. Down on 7, 8. Copy? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna go touch it. 1, 2, 3, back on 4. Copy? Next, roll 5, 6. So you end up like this. 6, then roll 7. Look to your left on 8. Roger? Let's try one more time from here. 6, 7, 7. Where are you going? 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look on 8. Good job. Let's try from the beginning first. All of it. 4, 4, 8. Let's see. Ready? In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look on 8. Good job. Alright, next, from here, 7, 8. You gotta go close again. 1, 2. Go up on 3. Look on 4. Then up 5, 6, 7. Point on 8. Roger. Wrong legs. 7, 8. One more time. Let's recover. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Close on 1, 2. What's this one? 3. Look on 4. You go up on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Point. Okay? Good job. Alright, next from here, you need to go up. So from here, you're gonna shiver, shake it. 7, only your shoulder. So open first. Yes. Alright, close first. 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're gonna go 5, 6, go 7, 8. Roger. One more time. Shiver. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step to right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe a little bit diagonal. 7, 8. Roger. Let's combine from here. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Look on 4. Go up on 5, 6, 7. Point on 8. Shiver. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't open it. 7, 8. Alright? Alright, let's start from the beginning. Go 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, the last one. Last 2 8s. Yeah, last 2 8s. So from here, so 7, 8, you gotta stand up on 1 and 2. Then left and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, up, stand up on right, open 2, 3, open 4, chest, chest, chest. Oh! Alright, next, last 8. So from here, 7, 8, you gotta use your hips, left, right, left, swing. Then walk 5, 6, quick fast, 7, 8. Quick and fast is the same. Alright, let's try. One more time. We go from 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Let's combine 2, 8, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, swing, walk, walk, quick, quick, slow. Yes, a Rumba. Good job guys. Now let's try everything from the beginning, alright? We do it slowly so you can follow. Are you ready? Here we go. In my count on 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips, hips, hip, and walk, walk, quick, quick. Yes! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments, and yes. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.